Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. These are the directions for the next 3 questions. There are m vessels with known volumes V1, V2, Vm arranged in ascending order of volumes where V1 is greater than 0.5 L and Vm is less than 1 L. Each of these is full of water. The water is emptied into a minimum number of white empty vessels, each having volume 1 liter. If the volumes of the vessel increases with the value of lower bound of 10 inverse, then the maximum possible value of m is. Now, the lower bound is 0.5 and this increases with 0.05. So it forms an arithmetic progression AP where common difference D is equal to 0.05 and the first term A is 0.5. The term is less than 1 and hence it is 0.95. So the last term is 0.95. To find the number of terms in the series, use the formula on nth term, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 0.95 is equal to 0.5 plus n minus 1 into 0.05. So from here we get n to be equal to 10. Hence the value of n comes as 10 and the maximum possible value of m is 10. The next question, which is also a continuation, is if m is maximum, then dash is minimum number of white vessels required to empty it. Now, to find the minimum number of white vessels required to empty the vessel for maximum possible value of m, that is 10, we have to use the formula of sum to n terms of this AP series. So sum of n terms Sn is equal to n into first term plus last term by 2, where n is the number of terms in series. So Sn is equal to 10 into 0.5 plus 0.95 by 2, that is 7.25. Now since the number of vessels can be a whole number, so the minimum vessels required is 8. The next question, which is again a continuation of the previous one, is if m is maximum, then the range of the volume remaining empty in the vessel with the maximum empty space is from dash to dash. So from the above solution we can see that the 8th vessel is empty by 0.75 liters and hence that is the upper limit for the range. Further, for the lower limit, make all the vessels equally full. So for the lower limit, make all vessels equally full, which makes them all 0.1 parts empty. So the maximum space is from 0.1 to to 0.75 liters.